I found 9 high probable trade opportunities for the upcoming week. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another WMA video, Weekly Market Analysis. As of every weekend, on Sundays I analyze the whole market for you, including Forex pairs, metals, oil and cryptos, and after 6 days, on the next Saturday, we together check the results of those analyses. I don't want to waste your time right now, let's go on the chart and see those opportunities. Let's go. Come on man, look at EuroCAD, what a nice chart. Alrighty, so on EuroCAD we have this decreasing channel, which we had quite nice reaction to the top, bottom and the mid lines. And here we are at the bottom of this channel. This dynamic area here might act as a really powerful support. So we have 3 scenarios on EuroCAD. The first one is that it's gonna break this channel, make a pullback and come down, which I don't think so. I don't think it's gonna happen. The second one is that this is gonna go up and touch the top line of the channel, and the third one is that EuroCAD is gonna make a pullback to this area, to this static area, and then come down, touch the bottom of the channel again. Moving on NZD/USD, we've got this nice static area plus this opening diagonal, which we had reaction to both static area and the opening diagonal at the same time. We had this candle. I think it's gonna come down from here. It's gonna come maybe touch the bottom of the opening diagonal, but wait for some more confirmation. For instance, wait for this trend line to be broken as a way to pull the trigger, and just don't jump in. As you remember, AUD/NZD was I think here last week, and I told you that it might make a pullback to this area, to this static area, and another retest to the top line of this channel, and it did. And plus it pulled the trigger in the last 4 hours. So you can look for short trades, and for more confirmations you can wait for AUD/NZD to make a pullback to this area and then come down. Alright guys, here we are on USD/JPY. We had this nice ending diagonal that was broken and a pullback was made, and we had this double top here which had a good I'm sorry, let me erase my trades on the chart so that it doesn't look that much messy. I think it's gonna come down, touch the bottom line of this ending diagonal, this huge ending diagonal. But if you want to enter short trades, wait for this static and dynamic area to be broken, then a pullback, and then enter short trades. Don't just jump in. Here we are on GJ. As you see, we had this purple channel, and as you remember, a couple of weeks ago on this area I told that it has made a triple top and made it a nice static area, and it's gonna come down from here. Came all the way down to the bottom line of the channel and broke the channel. Sorry, let me erase these trades. Alright, so the target for me is this static area, but GJ might make a pullback to this area and then come down. So moving on AUD/JPY, we had this dynamic and static areas which are both broken, and all I'm expecting is that it may make a pullback to this area or this one, and then go up at least to this high here, and it looks quite bullish to me. As you remember, a couple of weeks ago I told you that CAD/JPY is gonna come down because of this ending diagonal. It's gonna come down and touch the bottom line of the ending diagonal, and here we are on CAD/JPY. It looks quite bearish to me, but if you want to enter short trades, wait for this static area to be broken and then open your positions. So moving on GBP/CAD, pound versus Canadian dollar. As you remember on here, this area, I said that it might make a high and come down because of this channel. It made and gave a good gain. Right now we had this static area which was broken, and a pullback was made, and I think it's gonna come down at least until this static area or the bottom of this channel. As you remember, last week I told you, I think gbpusd was here, I told you that it might come down, break this dynamic area, then a pullback, and then come down, touch the bottom of this opening diagonal. The trend line was broken, a pullback was made, it came down, but it looks bearish right now, no doubt. But if you want to open short trades in the upcoming week, wait for this static area to be broken and then open your trades, because it might be a double bottom here and then go up. So for more confirmation, wait for this static area to be broken. Alright guys, here we are on gbpusd. We have these two channels plus this static area, and you might think this move might seem like an ABC, the correction of this wave, but as we measure this wave, we can see that the correction has gone way more than 78%, so it cannot be a correction anymore. And this blue channel was broken from below, and all I'm expecting is that we're gonna have a pullback to these areas, maybe the midline of the bigger channel, and come down and touch the bottom line of the purple channel. Alright guys, as we saw on the chart, we've got 9 high probable trade opportunities for the upcoming week, and if you're smart enough to use this analysis in your trades, you're gonna make good money. Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and have a nice trading week. Bye bye guys.